If you leave your kid in the car, are you guilty of child endangerment in Ohio? Now, as a side note, you should not leave your kid in the car. Don't leave your kid in the car. It's not good parenting. It's dangerous. Your kid could overheat or get kidnapped. But if you're watching this video, you're likely already being charged. And if you are, you need a lawyer. Don't listen to the officer who says, oh, we don't need a lawyer. You don't get a lawyer. Don't listen to your friends and family members. Oh, it's too expensive. No, it's not. Not when it comes to your record as a parent. So, if you leave your kid in the car, are you guilty of child endangerment? Maybe, maybe not. Here's what the state has to prove. Number one, that you are the guardian of a child under 18 years old. Number two, that you neglected to take an action that you should have taken. Number three, that doing so subjected your kid to a substantial harm. And number four, that you did it knowing of the harm and not caring. That's called recklessness. It's not that you were just negligent. They have to show that you knew of the harm and just disregarded it. Now, going back to what a substantial harm is. What is a substantial harm? A substantial harm is a given harmful result that is not just probable that it occurs, or more than likely that it occurs, or possible that it occurs, but it is almost certain to occur. There's a big difference between leaving your kid in a car when it's 65 degrees outside versus 110 degrees outside. One is a substantial harm, and one, arguably, is definitely not, depending on how long your kid is in the car. 5-10 minutes, you have a case. 30 minutes at 65 degrees or 70 degrees, you likely have a case, depending on the age of the kid. 110? Well, you definitely need a lawyer. But you can see the difference. You leave a kid in a car at 110 degrees. You know that it's almost certain that the kid's going to overheat. Anyone would. But 65, 70? Not necessarily. Again, don't leave your kids in cars. But if you've been charged with child endangerment, whether it's leaving your kid in the car in a parking lot or whatever it is, you need a lawyer. I offer affordable rates and the best legal team you have available to you. I'm licensed in Michigan and Ohio. You can contact me, Jim at lockwoodlegal.com. That's Jim at lockwoodlegal.com. Or call area code 574-303-9005. That's 574-303-9005. Or visit me online at lockwoodlegal.com. If you don't hire me, but you've been charged with child endangerment, you should hire some lawyer.